Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Empties video for you guys. Now this will be another combination video, not just Dollar Tree, but it's going to have Walmart and Dollar General empties as well. And the first thing I want to talk about is, this is not technically empty, but I wanted to share it with you, but these are 2-pack claw clips from the Dollar Tree. They're kind of big like this. I love these. If you have thick hair like I do, thick curly, natural curly hair, like, you're gonna love these. They are thick enough, wide enough to use in your hair, and I've been using these like crazy. I did already break one of them, but they are just $1. But I still have the black one, and it's awesome. Always I have the Parent Choice Shea Butter wipes or Baby Fresh or some kind of Parent Choice wipes. I love these wipes, and I'll continue to repurchase them. For kids, I have the Foam and Bubble Bath in the watermelon scent, 20 fluid ounces from the Dollar Tree. I can't tell you guys how good this stuff is, how concentrated it is. The bubbles last the entire bath time. A little goes a long way. I love the scent. I love this so very much, so I will definitely be repurchasing that. The Paw Patrol body wash in the berry scent. To me, it's got a light scent. This is pretty watery. You get 12 fluid ounces for $1, so in a pinch, I do buy stuff like this sometimes. I do prefer the more thicker body washes and stuff they offer, but Connor did want this one, so we did pick this up. But to me, it's thin, doesn't lather well, the scent isn't very strong or doesn't linger, which is okay for him, but this is just okay. I have a bunch of bath bomb fizzies. So we have the watermelon ones. Now I absolutely love these Bolero bath bombs, so enough said. I'll share the scents with you. They're awesome. And you get 3 for $1. So there's a watermelon aloe, cucumber and aloe. Love those. Coconut and pineapple, and blueberry and banana. Now I would say out of all of these, the strongest scent we used was the watermelon one. It smells absolutely amazing. The rest of them smell good too, but it's more faint. I have the 100% pure cotton rounds. These are awesome. I repurchase these all the time. I use them for makeup removal, toner, nail polish, whatever. They're pretty awesome. I also have some of the cotton balls from Dollar Tree. I repurchase these all the time as well, almost every single trip I take, because I use them for nail polish, witch hazel. Those are my 2 main things I use them for, but I love them, and I'll definitely be repurchasing those. Empty Original Listerine. We love this. This is our favorite mouthwash, so we always repurchase that one. I have a Suave Sun-Ripened Strawberry Conditioner. I use this to shave my legs. If you've never shaved your legs with conditioner, you definitely should. It's one of the smoothest, closest shaves you'll get. And I think, personally, your legs stay smoother longer and definitely softer. This is awesome. You can pretty much dry shave. Just apply this to your legs, shave, and you really don't even have to rinse it off. I mean, I always do, but I love this method. So if you've never tried that, you definitely should. The Secret Deodorant in Powder Fresh. I love this deodorant. It looks a little ganky, but it's been used and it's gone now. I love this scent. I'll always repurchase Secret Deodorant. I think it works best for me personally. I like that, and the Lady Speed Stick Rollerball. Those 2 deodorants, or these 2 deodorants, are my go-to. I love them. Hand soaps, I have a Good Housekeeping Peppermint Swirl. I know it's a bit odd for this time of year, but I only had about half of the bottle left, so I used it up. I love the scent. I love the lather. This is a good hand soap. I believe you can find Good Housekeeping at the Dollar General. Sometimes, I'm not entirely sure, but I don't know where else you can purchase it, but this was a good hand soap. I also have a hand sanitizer, which we all know from Assured brand is great. It works. It does what it's supposed to. It kills the germs. So I did have an empty hand sanitizer, and I do have one more hand soap here, a soft soap antibacterial in Fresh Citrus. I really like this. I enjoyed that it had a nice scent, and I always think that these soaps work great. Soft soap is amazing. I love all the soft soap products. I have a Bodycology Cucumber Melon 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. This thing was amazing. The packaging is so cute. I believe it's $4 at Walmart. The scent lingers, and a little goes a long way with this product. You only need a little, and it's so soft and moisturizing on your skin too. And I love the scent of these. They come in so many fun scents, and this one in particular had me throw back to like middle school days with the cucumber melon scent. I absolutely loved this. I definitely recommend checking out the Bodycology Cucumber Melon or any other scents they have in their body wash and bubble bath. It lathers so well and is so soft on your skin. I have this Bolero Sweet Almond Milk Body Yogurt, and it's an after shower cream. I use this mainly on my legs and my arms, and it smelled fantastic. It's a thick cream in a jar. If you find these, definitely pick them up. This was a great cream for $1. Very moisturizing, hydrated my skin, and I loved it. Like, I wish I could find more of these. The scent's really nice. I have a Bath & Body Works perfume, Pretty as a Peach. I did like the scent. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but if you love peach, you'll love this. I absolutely love the packaging. Look at that lacing on the packaging. It's so beautiful. I love this bottle. And the scent was very nice. It didn't linger throughout the day, so it was one of their lighter scents compared to other scents they offer. But I did like it, and I would repurchase like a travel size of that. I don't think I would repurchase a big bottle again, but it was good nonetheless. Now we're getting into like the makeup portion of it. So I have Bolero Watermelon and Aloe Facial Toner. I really like this toner. I love the scent. I felt like it did what it's supposed to do. You get 4 fluid ounces for $1. The scent alone is worth picking this up. It smells so good if you like watermelon. Now, as a toner goes, this is for all skin types, and it says an advanced formula. I think a lot of other stuff says advanced formula. But this did do what it's supposed to as a toner. I did see reducedness in my redness. It cleaned out pores after my makeup removal. I just felt refreshed. Like if I was using my other main toner that I use, it worked just the same. So I definitely think it was a good toner and would definitely pick it up again. So I have some makeup wipes, and these are the Allure Witch Hazel 30 count. I did really like these. Now, so not so much for makeup removal, but I do have redness on my face. If you didn't know, Witch Hazel will help combat with that. So do Witch Hazel every single day if you have redness, and it will help reduce the redness you have on your skin. It's been proven, it works. Believe Beauty Micellar Water Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. 30 of these. They do remove the dirt, oil, and makeup without rinsing like it claims. They do work. I think these were $4 at the Dollar General. They have a very high-pitched rose scent, so if you're not a fan of that, you might not like these. I do think that they worked pretty good, and you know, overall, I mean, yeah. I don't think that I would repurchase these over my Bolero though, but just because of the price point difference. But they were good wipes. Now I have the Bolero Cucumber and Aloe. These are probably my favorite Bolero makeup remover wipes from them. They're really good. And it says these are paraben free, color free, all skin types, and they're soothing and cleaning. Now, or cleansing. So 30 count for $1. Number one, you can't beat that. Number two, they do work. You can use these as a refresh as you wake up, before you go to bed. You can use these for makeup removal. These are good. Use them for swatches, whatever. They're really nice. I love the scents too. Face mask. I have a Spa Logics detoxifying sheet mask. This was one of those black face masks. And all these face masks I'm going to talk about did what they were supposed to. I felt like it really helped me be moisturized, helped me relax, and it gave my skin a glow for the next day. I love that about face mask. Well, next up, I have a Sweet Honey Mask. This came from the shop Miss A. And I love all their masks they have to offer. I've used a ton of them in the past. I still have a ton of them to use up. And this was a nice, sweet smelling one. And like I said, it did the same thing. It moisturized. It made my skin look, you know, radiant. I love a face mask. This is from Bolero, and this is their coconut oil and sea salt. Same thing. It had a nice scent, and it made my skin radiant. The next day, you had like a nice, beautiful glow after using face mask. I like to use them before or in the evening time, so before bed and stuff. So those are pretty awesome. Next up, we have some makeup to go through. Several makeup items, so I'm going to try to go through them fairly quickly. I did do a project pan on most of these products, so if you want fuller, more in details about these products, definitely check that out. I will try to remember to link it in the description box, if not in the cards. So first up is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water, Prime Set, and Refresh. Love this. Great product, great smell. It helped my makeup last all day. I didn't look cakey, and I used it to prime and set and refresh just like it suggests. This is awesome. $5 at Walmart. I loved it. I have one of those Equate sponges. I loved this sponge. It was super soft in comparison to some of their other sponges. I hate to see it go, but I was using it for like a couple years now. So it's just time. It is kind of dirty too. I didn't bother to wash it because I knew I was throwing it out. Why would you do that? So the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter, I loved this. I was marking it for Project Pan. The Sharpie got into the eyeshadow and it was making my brow bone look black. So like I had Sharpie under my eyebrow. So this is gone now. It was a great highlighter though. I actually really loved it. NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Love this pencil. I've already repurchased this. It's just old and it doesn't perform like it should. So I bought a new one. This is the perfect secondary base for bright colors. It doesn't crease as long as you blend it out with your finger. Inner corner highlight and your waterline for eyeliner. This is awesome. If you've never tried it, you definitely should. This was Jordana's Black Point Eyeliner. I can't even sharpen it anymore, and I think that it went bad because my eyes were burning when I used it. So that's gone now. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Love this. I will definitely repurchase this. But it's already a thick formula, but it got really thick and just about unusable. So that's on its way out. I have this Clean Color Arch Alley Brow Highlighter. And I hate the shimmery side, so it's full intact. I loved this matte side, but the product started to not perform like it should and was breaking off under my eyebrow and not blending out, so I think the product was just getting old. Now, that's the same for some of these products in general. So this is the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. Absolutely love this. Another Project Pan product here. But it is gone now. I loved it. I would definitely repurchase this. I love this. I've used Too Faced, I've used Primer Potion from Urban Decay. I've used some high-end eyeshadow primers, and this quickly became my favorite over even those. That's a good eyeshadow primer. Now I have the LA Colors Chunky Lip Pencil. Once again, this thing is just old, it's ganked up, and it's just time to go. So this is gone. I love the shade color, but I never picked it up because I know how old it is. And it's just time. So this is a lip scrub from Tarte. This is all gone. And I love this. It had a nice minty thing. It was really nice and gritty. And almost harsh on your lips, to be honest. But it worked fantastic. I loved it. And last but not least, I have some nail polishes to share with you guys. This one is called Blackout from Broadway. If you find this nail polish in your Dollar General, please pick it up if you like black nail polish. It's thick, it's opaque in one coat. It's only $1. Okay? This is amazing. Amazing. Okay? I need to find more of these. I love it. Okay, another product that's going out because it's gone is my favorite glitter polish ever. And this is from Wet n Wild. They're Wild Shine nail polishes. And it's in Kaleidoscope. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love Kaleidoscope nail polish. I've already repurchased a backup. And yes, it's just a beautiful holographic glitter. So it has that rainbow shift to the glitters. It has some just plain silver glitters in there, and they're varied sizes. It's so beautiful. I love it. Now this I'm so terribly sad about. I tried fixing it. There's no fixing this with the polish thinner, but it's from Orly and it's Monroe's Red. I absolutely love this. This is my go-to red polish. Now I have to find a new go-to red polish, but I accept the challenge. But see, it's thick and it's like a solid piece in there hooked to the brush. and the thinner wouldn't even fix it. So I'm pretty bummed about this. But that's the last item I had to share with you guys, and I thank you for watching. I hope you found some of the reviews helpful. We'll try out some of the products for yourself. Don't forget to check that description box out, or the cards, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. I hope you all are having a blessed day, and thank you so very much for watching.